If you want to change audio pitch in CapCut, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step, whether you want your voice to sound higher, lower, or just a little more polished. This is a super useful edit for creators who want to make narration sound different, fix audio tone, or create a specific style for a video. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your CapCut project and make sure the clip you want to edit is already on the timeline. If your audio is still attached to the video, you'll want to separate it first. To do that, right-click on the video clip in the timeline and choose Extract Audio. CapCut will place the sound on its own independent audio track, which makes it much easier to edit without affecting the video itself. Once the audio has been extracted, click on that separated audio track so it becomes highlighted. This is important because CapCut needs to know exactly which audio clip you want to adjust. If you skip this step, the voice effects options may not apply to the correct part of your project. Now look to the top right panel and find the Voice Changer tab, or in some versions, it may be called Voice Effects. This is where CapCut gives you different sound options and pitch controls. When you open it, you'll see a few preset choices that can instantly change the sound of your audio. From here, select a pitch preset like high or low depending on the effect you want. If you want the voice to sound more energetic or cartoon-like, high can be a good choice. If you want it deeper or more dramatic, low is usually the better option. After choosing a preset, don't stop there. Use the manual pitch slider to fine-tune the sound. This is the part that gives you more control because you can adjust the audio until it sounds exactly the way you want. Take your time and preview the changes as you go. Small adjustments can make a big difference, especially if you're trying to keep the voice sounding natural. If the pitch is too extreme, it may sound artificial, so try moving the slider gradually instead of making a huge jump all at once. Listen carefully and compare before and after so you can choose the version that fits your video best. Once you're happy with the result, save your project and export the video as usual. That's it, you've now changed the audio pitch in CapCut and customized the sound for your edit. Whether you're making content for YouTube, TikTok, or just editing a personal video, this is a simple trick that can make your project stand out. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss more CapCut tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.